Very black gold of gold and silver as well, or the diamond. You are here in the gold of big shop. What do you think?
I would say, of course, गोल्ड जो लोग पहनते हैं उनके हम बोल सकते हैं किस्मत लक में बहुत ज्यादा एनहांसमेंट होती है, तो सबको पहनना चाहिए बिकॉज इट एनहांस जुपिटर, so must go. ऊपर से jewelry thing, I think every woman love jewelry, right? I also love jewelry, and they have very different kind of a design, amazingly crafted, very beautiful, and you must gift your wife jewelry on Friday, especially I must say. So we have
So how do you describe yourself with this? Or has you shop? How you describe the woman you buy and then she gets a lot?
No, women should not buy. You buy for them, please. Or as an astrologer, yes, that's why I'm saying it's a remedy also. If you give gift to your wife, especially jewelry on Fridays, your luck enhances, right? And your business growth will also come. So it's a good way. You must buy jewelry. You buy, okay?
Finally, we were watching your farm and they are talking the on behalf of
I really wish everyone, of course, is happy and you all shine like this jewelry shop and the diamonds and the motifs and everything. I really wish you all luck. Wish you all the happiness. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
जो चाइना था
The shop is open.
जो यूएस
Very famous.
Thank you so much for Major Omar and for you.
डेलीगेशन में
Thank you.
अपना हमारे साथ फातमी साहब भी थे
देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज।